stop right there, because if you think your down payment is the only cash you need to buy a home, you might be heading for a financial disaster. Most first-time buyers completely obsess over the interest rate and the monthly mortgage payment, but they get blindsided by the silent budget killers that pop up right before closing. I am talking about closing costs that can easily run between 2 and 5% of your total loan amount, forcing you to pay thousands for appraisal fees, title insurance, and loan origination fees out of pocket. Then you have the prepayments, which are upfront payments for property taxes and homeowners insurance that lenders require before you even get the keys. And let's not forget the new home tax, the immediate repairs, moving costs, and furniture that you didn't account for. At Realty.com, we want you to walk into your closing confident, not broke, which is why we break down every single expense you need to prepare for in our full guides. If you want to avoid becoming house poor and buy with total confidence, head over to Realty.com right now for our complete home buying checklist.